Look, if you try to drop raw affiliate links on Facebook right now, the algorithm will instantly kill your reach or ban your account immediately. The old way of doing this is completely die. But there is new method that nobody is talking about that you guys can use to promote affiliate links on Facebook without getting banned and without putting your account at risk, and I'll share it with you in this video for free. Okay, I have been doing this business for over 6 years and I'm making over $40,000 a month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different platforms. In this video I'll show you how you can promote affiliate links on Facebook and make your first commissions as a beginner. Just last month, guys, I made $45,761. Okay, this is my invoice, as you guys can see here. Recent payment request details, and it's paid. I already received this payment in my bank account. And in this video I'll show you how you can promote affiliate links on Facebook, of course using free traffic and using AI. Okay, so for people who want to start making money and promote affiliate links on Facebook with affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. So the best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr affiliates. Step number one, just go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address to sign up. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be your Fiverr homepage. You just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to company and click on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website over here. You can scroll down and go to commission plan. So you guys can check their commission plan because they are paying up to 70% of the first orders. This is high cheeky affiliate marketing program. For pro services, they are paying up to 70%, as you guys can see. And the best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% a revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if one person buy service from your affiliate link, you can earn 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. You can turn this into a passive income. The lowest that they are paying is 25%, which is very good. Okay, so anyway, if you want to create your affiliate account, you can just go back to this page here and click on join now, and you will be in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down, go to this option here. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on this one and click on yes. Okay, and what you will do here is you just need to put your social media profile page that you will use to promote those Fiverr services. So put your social media profile link here, like for example Facebook page, Instagram page, YouTube page, Pinterest page, any page. Okay, and click on country. Choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, French, any country. Okay, just search for your country from here. Click on English and choose your language from here. If you have Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next. Sign up process super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one. Okay, you should have an account. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy those services that you will start promoting. Okay, so it's clear here. So what you need to do next is you need to promote services that people will be interested to buy on you from Facebook. You need to promote services that people are already searching for on Facebook. So what we will do next, we will go to Facebook. Okay, go and open your Facebook account. You guys all have Facebook accounts. Just open your Facebook account like this and go to groups. Okay, click on this option here. You see this one, groups. Click on groups, click on the search and search for Shopify. Okay, search for Shopify groups. Okay, And you will find here a lot of Shopify groups on Facebook that you guys need to join, okay? Like those groups, okay? You have a lot, unlimited groups about Shopify. You just need to join those groups so you can use those Facebook groups to promote your affiliate links, okay? Let's take as an example the first group. I will click on this one. It's public, the first one. Just click on the first group that you want to use, and you will be directly in this Facebook group about Shopify dropshipping. If you scroll down, here you go. This is what I'm talking about. You will find here people searching for Shopify specialists. They are searching for someone who can help them to create a Shopify store, okay? Like this one. Just yesterday, this person posted this post on this Facebook group, okay? As you guys can see, and he is searching for Shopify designer, okay? I have $100 budget. I need specialists to help me with Shopify with store this redesign, okay? This one. If I scroll more down, here is another one. This one is searching for supplier. It's not for us, okay? So we will scroll more down. Here is another one. I have $100 budget. It's the same. I will scroll more down. You can find a lot. Here is a new one. Just posted this post today. I need Shopify expert to help me redesign my store. If I scroll more down, here is another one. I need Shopify expert, okay? I need a professional store. Need Shopify advanced design store in e-commerce niche, okay? You see, so as you guys can see in this Facebook group, you will find a lot of people. Those people will be those people are your customers, and they are searching for someone who can help them create a Shopify store. So for you as an affiliate marketer, what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage, go back to Fiverr and click on the search and search for Shopify. Okay, search for Shopify store. That's it. Search for services related to what people are searching for on those Facebook groups. Search for Shopify store services, scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide this service on on Fiverr. So what you will do next is you need to choose good sellers. Always choose like level 2 seller, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, okay? Because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. They will check the feedback of their customers. So if you are using good sellers, people also can trust those sellers and they can buy those services from those sellers. So for you, it's good. You will earn a commission. It's clear. Let's choose one as an example, like this one here. You guys can see this one is pro seller. I will build your professional dropshipping Shopify store. This seller has 5-star, over 1,000 reviews, which is good. I will click on his service. Just click on the seller service that you want to use, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see that this seller has 15 orders in queue. Numbers don't lie. People already paying for these services, and it's working right now. Yes, right now this system is working, okay? You guys can see just this one single seller, over 2,000 people paid for this service using just this one single seller, okay? Which is good. So for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller like this. You will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard like this, okay? And you will click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, report payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first affiliate link. This one, guys, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting, remember, if you are promoting pro services, you will copy your affiliate link from here, okay? If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated seller, you will copy your affiliate link from here, okay? So for me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr Step A old plan. Like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. That's why I still have this option, and it's almost the same. For example, like Fiverr Pro new plan, it's even better, okay? So what you will do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook, okay? Look, I shared with you a lot of valuable information that you can't find anywhere, okay? And for people who want to take this business seriously and you want to start making commissions with affiliate marketing using AI and promote affiliate links on Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Quora, Reddit, and create content using AI without showing your face, without using your voice, and create doing keyword research, doing SEO, YouTube thumbnail, everything done by AI. I do have an affiliate marketing course where I explained everything. I shared all my methods, all my strategies that I'm using, all the AI tools that I'm using. If you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address and I'll send you all the details, okay? Only serious people, please, because I do work with limited numbers of people, because you get direct access to me. It's not like other people, they give you the info and they leave. For me, I will keep following up with you to make sure you are applying the system correctly, okay? Feel free, my email address is in my video description and I'll send you all the details. Anyway, let's complete our video. We need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. We will go to Facebook, go to your Facebook groups, to those groups, guys, about Shopify store. So we have here people searching for Shopify store designer, and we have on Fiverr, we have sellers who provide Shopify store service. It's simple. It's like just connecting sellers with buyers. So it's up to you. I shared with you everything. You just need to connect sellers with buyers and you earn a commission. So you just need to convince those people on Facebook groups to get this service from you and you earn a commission. That's it. The system is simple. I shared with you what will help you to make your first commissions, okay? You can, if you use this method and you know exactly how to convince those people to buy those services from you, you can earn your first commissions just from Facebook groups. In the beginning, this is exactly the same method that I use it, okay? Anyway, you guys can see like this one also here. Shopify store needed with the budget of $250. Anyone available? You guys can see he is searching for Shopify store designer, and you have a lot. If you scroll on this group, you will find a lot of people searching for every single day, searching for Shopify store designer. So what you will do, you will go back to this group over here and you will click on write something and you will create a post, okay? You need to create an engaging post. So how you can create an engaging post? It's by using AI. You will go to ChatGPT and you will ask him to create an engaging and viral YouTube post that you will use to promote Shopify store creation service and include my website link. You will get this one. This is the option 2. You will copy this, okay, just like this. Go back to Facebook, paste this one here, and here what you will do here is you need to put your affiliate link. Of course, you will not put affiliate links directly here, because if you are doing this, your account can get banned and also your post can get banned, okay? So you need to create a landing page or an affiliate website, okay? Once you create a landing page or an affiliate website, you can go back to your Fiverr affiliate homepage, copy your affiliate link from here and put this affiliate link inside your landing page or inside your website. Then put your website link here or your landing page link here, okay? So this affiliate link is too much long. So let me show you just as an example, guys. Let me search for short link to show you as an example how this will looks like. I will make this link short link, copy, go back, and I will paste this link here as an example. This is as an example. This is your landing page link or your website link, and this will be like this, you see? And you have an engaging post, you see? You can post this post on this Facebook groups, and those people who are searching for Shopify store designer, they will see this post, they will click on this link, they will be directly in this seller profile page. If they click on continue and they buy this service from you, you earn a commission. How much you can earn? This service, just the basic package, it's starting from $295, okay, which is very good commission. Remember, this seller is a pro seller, okay? Let me show you guys. If you remember, for pro services, we will earn 70% of the first order. If we go back to ChatGPT and we ask him what is, as an example, 70% of 295, okay, let me check. Yes, and 95. Okay, let me see. They are paying good commissions. You can make your first commissions just from those Facebook groups. This is the what for me, This is the same method that I use it when I started this business. It's by focusing on Facebook groups, and I got my first commissions from those Facebook groups. I made a lot of commissions from just those Facebook groups. Okay, you guys can see that 70% of 295, it's $206 from one single customer, from one single client. It's up to you now. I shared with you everything, where you can promote those services, okay, how you can find those people who will be interested to buy those services from you, how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing. I shared with you a lot of valuable info that you can't find on YouTube or anywhere. No one will share with you those methods, guys, okay? It's up to you. You just need to convince those people here on those Facebook groups they are your customers. And you have, look, you have maybe millions of Facebook groups on, yes, millions, okay? A lot of Facebook groups. You see? You have a lot, so you can get a lot of traffic. You can post on those Facebook groups to get free traffic. You just need to use a landing page or an affiliate website so your account be safe, and it's good, and you can go good with this. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing, and see you in the next one.